Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Got an update on the Phantom 5 coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Well, remember the renderings that I showed from OsitaLV of the Phantom 5 camera and also the Phantom 5 itself, and I'll throw them up here on the screen for you. Now, included in all the renderings that you see from OsitaLV, there's Chinese written in there. Well, someone did a painstaking effort and did a translation from that, and what one of the translations says, in the second quarter of 2018, DJI officially released a new member of the ELVs series, DJI Phantom 5. Now remember, a lot can get lost in translation, but this is what this says, which is very interesting because I've heard unconfirmed rumors that it was going to be probably third or fourth quarter before the Phantom 5 is released. So, we'll have to balance this out. I've also heard another unconfirmed rumor that the price point on this is going to be higher than the Phantom 4 Pro, probably approaching over $2,000. And it would be understandable that that would be the case if some of these interchangeable lenses were to be included with it, also for the rain protection, the new 360 sensing avoiding, sensor avoidance system. That would make perfect sense for it to be at that kind of a price point. So, what I'm personally thinking, OsitaLV has been pretty spot on. He correctly predicted Zenmuse back in October. He accurately predicted Mavic Air. So we'll wait and see. But, if this is the case, then I believe we're probably going to see it sooner rather than later. So as always, stay tuned to Bill, a Drone Reviewer. For any type of news on the Phantom 5, I will definitely get it out there as soon as it becomes available. And also, please know that I do confirm the sources that I get this information from. So if I have something that's unconfirmed, I'll tell you. And I won't name that source unless I know that it's out there, it's confirmed, and it's out on the net. So just to let you know. If you like the content from today's video, please hit the like button, tell others about our channel, and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I post daily updates on anything that's drone related, and also my blog where I also, besides posting updates, all these videos go out there to let all the members for the people on my blog know that they're available. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy flying!